In this video, we're gonna focus on division of line in a given ratio. Before we solve some questions here and an advanced question in this topic, let's take a note here. Please write division of a line in a given ratio is divided into A, internal division, B, external division. Please write down this internal division. Internal division is the point that lies between the two endpoints of the line segment. I will explain, please. Please write. Internal division is the point that lies between the two endpoints of the line segment. So what does it mean here? It means that if I have 2 points A and B, or if I have 2 points, let me just sketch on this. If I have 2 points here, this is point A, this is point B. If the division between this point A and point B is done internally, that is done inside both points, we call it internal division. But if it is done outside this point here, we call it external division. Please take note of that, okay? So mathematically it can be expressed as where M and N are the ratio and X and Y are coordinates. Where M and N are the ratio and X and Y are coordinates. Let's solve some questions here to understand this perfectly. All right, question 1, please. So we are given a question here. Before we solve this question, let's understand the question carefully. They said find the coordinates of the point P that divides the line joining point A 2, 4 and point B 8, 10 internally in the ratio 1:2. Now, before we solve this question here, let's try to understand this. Now, let's try to understand this. To understand a question that is an internal division, is this what you have to know here. Whenever we have 2 points, and at that point, the point is being divided internally, we call that particular equation or that particular division internal division. Please take note. Now, we also have different way of knowing when a equation is an internal division or an external division. Whenever the number of the first ratio is less than the number of the second ratio, we call that internal division. Otherwise, we call it external division. Rather, this is not a permanent decision. It's just like sometimes, okay? It's just like most times, it's occur most times, okay? So whenever the first number in the ratio is less than the second number, we call that internal division. What does it mean here? It means that if M, which is represented this here, is less than N, we call this internal division. Please take note of this, okay? So sometimes, okay? So let's solve this question here. Solution, please. Solution. All right, they said this point P divide the line. These are the two lines here, this and this. The question now is, how does it divide the line? It divide the line internally, that's internally inside, okay? So if the points divide the 2 points internally, we call it internal division. Please take note of this, okay? And the formula for internal division is this. That is, the formula for internal division is P s comma y is equal to plus m s2 plus m s1 over m plus n m y2 plus m y1 over m plus n. Please take note of this, okay? Let's replace the values. To replace the value here, the ratio, that is the ratio 1:2, that is m:n, is given to us as m. Remember, the position of this m here is corresponding to this, so the value for m is equal to 1. So the position of n here is this, is corresponding to this, so the value of n here is equal to 2. So from the coordinates here, our s1 is 2, our y1 from the coordinates here, our s1 here is 2, our y1 is 4, our s2 here is 8, our y2 here is 10. So replacing this here, we have something like this. Replacing this here, we have this to be points s comma y is equal to plus 1 is equal to class let's replace this, is equal to class, let's replace this, m is 1 times 8, which is s2, plus 2 into 2 over 1 plus 2. Okay, m is 1, y2 is 10, plus n is 2, y1 is 4 over 1 plus 2. Please take note. So p is equal to 8 plus 4 over 3, 10 plus 8 over 3. Please take note. So the point here, that is the internal point here, s comma y, will be equal to class 8 plus 4 should give us 12 over 3. 10 plus 8 should give us 18 over 3. Please take note. In our next video, we're gonna focus on external division, and also focus on external division for an unknown coordinate, and again focus on external division for an unknown endpoint, and also focus on external division for an unknown endpoint and coordinates. All you have to do to get the full course here is to hit the subscribe button up. So I'll be going live within this week, and for you to be notified, all you have to do is to hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you. Subscribe button.